Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of 1 to Step, and in this video I am going to show you how to create a new password for your Zedge account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to set a new password for your Zedge account, just simply open your Zedge application at first and then tap to this My Zedge option. Then after tapping into there, it will lead you to this tab, and from here you just simply have to select this gear option into the top right. After going into there, again select this Zedge account option and go to manage account section. Then it will lead you to the account.zedge.net page of Zedge. Just simply select this password option into here, and in order to create a new password, you just simply have to enter your current password into this upper box and set a new password into this second box. But before you set a new password, you have to keep in mind that your password must have to be 8 characters at minimum, and your password must have to contain at least one number, symbol, and uppercase and lowercase characters. Then after entering your current password and new password, just simply tap into this change password option. Then after that, you can easily set up a new password for your Zedge account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.